Oh,
hey guys, we're back with another video, and our dad bought these fidget spinners for us. We wanted to share it with you, and you're gonna see us tell you how it works, and just that and all that stuff. He wants to talk now.
Guys, these things are really cool. If you go to a place that it's really close to the Chinese buffet, like go back there and with the red sign.
Yeah.
Wait, what? It's like a crafting place, and you can buy these.
Yeah, but they're like $13. We had to spend $25 for these.
And all of these added together for that dollars cost $30. That was really expensive.
No, 20.
And today we're gonna be unboxing them.
Yeah. So wait, we need to show them it. We'll show you. Oh, that looks stop. Let me see. There's mine.
And here's mine.
Honey, you're putting it way too close now.
Pretty, look at it.
And then that's Hunter's. I hope you like it.
Today we're gonna be unboxing this. This is so exciting.
Yeah. We just got them. We're so excited to play with them.
So Brady, let's unbox them.
Okay. Oh my gosh. You don't spin them right now. Look at it.
These are so sick. I mean, at Walmart we were trying to sell them, and the lady said that they used to have thousands of them, and they sell them in 2 days.
Yeah, that's crazy, guys.
I mean, that's impossible.
Yeah.
And not really impossible.
So we're going to show you how these work. So you just put your hands like this.
And you get one of your fingers, and then you just do that.
Yeah, then you just go. Oh, I almost messed up. Then you just tap it.
And then it stops by itself. If you're wondering, these things don't, like, if you just spin them, they don't just spin forever and ever.
Holy crap.
Ever.
Look, it looks like it's spinning so fast. Look at yours.
So after this video, just make sure to like this videos. If we get over 1 million likes, we would be so happy. So please give us a million likes.
If you give us 1 million likes, we will do something so crazy. So crazy.
Like jumping off a ramp with our bikes.
Yeah. Well, that's not really that. Okay, come here. We'll be back in a second.
After these recording messages.
Dude, you can't. Let's go far away. So they can't hear. You can't say, that's easy. Jump a ramp, that's easy. We gotta do something different. No, let's do a back shot with our No, back. That's crazy about. So, and we'll do a lot of fidget spinners.
Guys, we're really sorry. We can't do easy stuff. I mean, that's too easy to jump a ramp. So, if you give us 1 million likes, we're gonna do a backflip on our couch.
And we will show you. You'll be in it. And we'll be flipping a lot of water bottles. And we'll be doing tricks with our fidget spinners.
Like this.
Like this.
You can get like one of these kind of fidget spinners, but it doesn't have this top.
Yeah.
Like you just spin it and it doesn't have this top.
Mine is like it doesn't make any noise.
And mine makes lots of noise if you guys can hear that.
Oh.
I mean, it looks so crazy on the video.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you put it up close. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. This has been a really awesome day. I mean, I love it. But these boxes are so cool that me and Brady, like, when we're done playing with the fidget spinners, we put it in here, and then we, put it in this box.
Yeah, we like to do that because I did that once. It was pretty cool. I do that with a lot of other stuff, like with Pokemon cards. I save the case, and then I put them in.
Guys, when you open it, make sure this doesn't happen. You want to keep it like this so it can look cooler.
Yeah.
Don't let it.
Like
Don't
mine.
let it open.
Look at that. Look at that. It's full protection. Sick too.
And
Hurry, get it out.
And I just hope we get 1 million likes. If you haven't seen our last video, Brady opened the Imaginext pack, and I had that like Ninja Turtle car. It was cool. That was really cool. But now we're doing a video with fidget spinners. Maybe next time we'll do one
Minecraft video.
Maybe Minecraft, maybe a fidget cube video when we buy one. That's probably gonna be in a long time. And we will do some science stuff like rip open something like we don't know what we're gonna probably rip open yet.
And we actually have the next video is gonna be about basketball and stuff.
Yeah, next one we're gonna do is Minecraft, and our world is so sick.
No, 1 second, we'll be back.
And these next recording messages: Potato Man, Potato Man, Potato Man, Potato Man, Potato Man, Potato Man.
See you. We'll be back.
Stop. So, we're going to be doing basketball stuff on next video. Like, you want to get some trick shots, just trick shots, like, we're going to be doing some trick shots in probably the next video. We'll do one tomorrow. That would be part 3 of our video. So please watch.
Tomorrow, we have another fidget spinner video. We have fidget spinner tricks.
And I hope you get this 1 million subscribers and have a happy Mother's Day. I hope you got something for the mothers. Stop there.
No. We actually have something to tell you because these things, when you spin it, they have bearings in it. See this? See, you have a bearing in it.
Wait, what are bearings?
These are little things are what keep the weight on them.
Guys, if you haven't noticed, mine has like little colored dots. It has blue, red, and purple and green. It is so cool. I mean, it's really noisy, but it's really not good. Our sister's friend Caitlin,
she has a white one.
Yeah, she has a white one.
I have one that lost it. It was brown. It
was sort of brown and blackish.
Yeah.
But it was really cool. And you guys could see if you guys another messages for no reason. So I'm sorry that I said that. I'm sorry. Please give this 1 million subscribers. What? So tell me what to eat for lunch. Will we? Lunch? No.
We have a little more things about this. You know, mine is smooth. Mine is smooth. These little things right here, mine's smooth.
Yeah, because his is like gray and metal.
Yeah, mine's smooth. Then his, look at it. It's not smooth. It has like, it's smooth, but it has like a spike top on the ends. That's why it's so easy to spin it. It's really cool. It has these little dots in it. Like, I don't know what they are, but they're super cool.
But guys, this was a fun time, but usually we have to do the video until the clock stops right there. You probably can't see that I'm pointing in a different direction. We have like
1 more minute left.
We have 10 minutes left for the video. Another according message. So much according messages. Because Bray's tapped on me.
No, it's because, dude, that's too noisy. Stop. Okay, we are back. Hope you like the color of the sky.
Oh yeah, I hope you like the color of our boxes because the bottom of our box, mine looks like Minecraft.
Yeah, mine too. It's really actually cool. You should actually.
Guys, it was a lucky day for us to get
a fidget
spinner. Brady was telling me to get a fidget cube. I'm like, no, I don't want a fidget cube. I need a fidget spinner.
You might see an ant on the iPad because we're actually doing it.
Here, guys, I'll just wipe it off.
It's gone. So now, actually, we have to do something. We have to do.
Guys, we have 11 more minutes left, and I don't know how far this clock goes.
So we have 1 more minute left, and I don't really know what we're gonna do. So we're just gonna do really. Might just go show you some stuff in our house.
We'll look around. Guys, over there, right there, someone shot a gun right there because there was a black snake.
And it was crazy. And we are gonna show you our bikes.
I mean, they're really cool. And we just want you to see them. Well, Brady usually rides mine because mine doesn't take the brakes, so you like stop on the pedals. You have to do the handlebars. And I can only go on flat road on straight because I'm scared to go down the hills or like down. So I just use my brother's bike. It really
1 minute.
It really suits me.
How did you put that in? No, I just put it in the case too. Yeah, but how did you slide it in? Because I know it goes the right way. You put it in. Oh, yes. We just had a problem with our cases.
Yeah. I don't know why Brady wanted me to go over there.
Okay, we might just show you around. So this is like some of our stuff we have.
We put it over the screen.
Oh yeah,
we can't let them see.
And this is one of our bikes. Both of ours.
This one right here. This is my bike, but I don't really ride it usually. So I usually ride it. This one right here. It really suits me. That's for sure. It really suits you. Brady, you're not famous. You're not famous, Brady. My legs are famous.
So there's that, and we don't really know what to do. And timer, we have to actually go. So see ya. And we really want 1,000 likes and subscribers, please.
So like and subscribe.
Yeah, please. See ya.